For 3 nights, strange sounds had been coming from my attic. I tried to dismiss it as my imagination, but the noises persisted. They sounded like footsteps, moving back and forth, as if something was pacing up there. On the third night, I woke up in the middle of the night to find scratches on my arms. They looked like they were made by long, sharp nails. I couldn't explain how they got there, but I knew they weren't there when I went to bed. I got up to go to the bathroom, and that's when I noticed the attic door was open. I knew I had closed it before going to bed, but now it was wide open, as if inviting me in. I tried to shake off the feeling of unease that was growing inside me, but I couldn't. I knew I had to investigate what was in the attic. As I made my way up to the attic, I could feel my heart pounding in my chest. The air was thick with an eerie silence, broken only by the sound of my own footsteps. When I got to the attic door, I hesitated for a moment, then pushed it open. The room was dark, and I could barely see anything. But I could feel something watching me, as if it was waiting for me to step inside. That's when I heard a voice whisper my name. It was faint, almost inaudible, but I could hear it. I knew then that I had to get out of there. I managed to run out of the house, but I couldn't shake the feeling that I was being followed. I could hear footsteps behind me, but every time I turned around, there was no one there. The next morning, I woke up feeling relieved that the strange sounds had stopped. A week later, the sounds started again. But this time, they weren't coming from the attic. They were coming from under my own bed.